Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Blizzard account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the battle.net application on your device or open up your web browser and then type in battle.net in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the battle.net official website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to change your password, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. You will now be taken into your account settings page, from which tap on security at the left section, and now you will see your password. Tap on the update button at the right side and you will be allowed to update your password. Type in your old password first to verify your identity within the old password box. You can then type in your desired new password underneath within the new password box. After entering this new password, type it in once again for confirmation within the confirm password section and then click on the save button. Once you click on save, your password will be changed on your battle.net or your Blizzard account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Blizzard account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.